This video is brought to you in partnership with MRCOOL. All right, so today we're solving a problem in our greenhouse at Shortgrass. When we originally built the greenhouse, it was separated into two main parts. Sort of the growing part where all the citrus trees and the fresh veg and herbs and things are, and then what we call the airlock. And we did that for a couple reasons. The airlock is the place that you go into from the outside so you don't let a blast of cold air into the greenhouse in the wintertime. But it's also sort of our break room or our office. It's got the big 3-basin stainless steel sink. It's got a little mini fridge. It's got the solar equipment in it, and even our little mushroom growing tent that we have. So that room, about 400 square feet, we want to climate control that room specifically. So we've decided to use something called a mini split. This one is made by a company called MRCOOL, and we picked this one specifically because of the DIY friendliness of it. So what a mini split is, the technical term is an air source heat pump, but why they call it a mini split is it's a mini version of a split HVAC system. So your heat and air, but with all the ductwork. A mini split doesn't have any ductwork in it. So they originally developed in the 50s in Japan, became popular in the 80s and 90s in Europe. That's the first place I saw one of them in my travels in the military. And then really in the 2000s, about 20, 25 years ago, they became popular in the US. So they're a really great solution for something like this at the greenhouse, but also for if you have an older house and you want to do a retrofit in the bedroom or a kid's room or a little home office, or you got a little she shed or something like that, you want to put it in. It's a really great solution for heat and air. We got the notification yesterday that it showed up, and I was about to tear into it, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me for this. So we'll do a little unboxing, show you guys what's in it, the box, all the components, and sort of what they mean. And then we'll do a different video about how to actually install the unit. So let's go check it out. All right, so we're just getting into Shortgrass. All right, we're here, unboxing time. Yes. Let's crack into this. Sorry, audio guy. Okay. So this is our line set cover kit. So this is actually what protects the physical copper line sets on the outside of the building. So this has got mounting hardware, cover shields. Okay, perfect. So this will be one of the last things we put on. We'll set him aside. All right, so this is the condenser. So there's two main parts. There's an inside part and an outside part. So this is the unit that actually sits outside and sort of does the exchange and does the work. So yeah, this should have all the line set stuff in it and the other things. All right. Oh, look at that cute little line set. Nice. We're gonna need that. All right, some pieces and parts, some mounting hardware. All right. Awesome. Nice. Cool. So this is the front of the unit, so you can see the fan inside there. On the back side of the unit is where we actually connect the line sets for the actual refrigerant. And here's a little drain tube. All right, now our head unit. template, y'all. Never underestimate the value of, oh, and it's cardboard. Okay, sorry. I'm genuinely excited about this. So this is a template for this frame. This is what the frame looks like that bolts onto the wall. A lot of times companies will give you one made out of paper, which is technically a template. It's obviously the cheaper way to do it, but this is actually stiff. I can tape this to the wall, take my drill, mark all my holes, where everything goes. This is the line set. So we already have a hole in the wall. When we built the building, we knew we were gonna put one of these in eventually. So we put the sleeve in. So I'm just gonna line that up and then everything else will be perfect. 10 points, Mr. Cool, for the nice template. Cool, so this is the unit. So this is what we call the head unit. So this is the part that actually you see inside the building, inside there. So packaged real nice thick stuff there. We got instructions. With our remote, this is cool. So one of the cool things about these is this is super simple. So literally like power, you adjust your temperature up and down. What do you want it to do? You can put it on turbo if you want, if you're want a little extra. But yeah, so this little mounts on the wall. So this will be a really cool thing to have. Smart USB AC controller. I did not know it came with that. So this plugs into the unit and this is how you control it from a smartphone. That's cool. Some instructions, we'll read those later. So, awesome. Well, I'm excited to get this thing up on the wall. A little pitter patter, let's get at her.